Hi, I'm Marco from Avnet Silica's field application team. I'm here at Embedded World and I have the honor to present the new STM32N6 from STMicroelectronics. This new device is a microcontroller which has an AI accelerator on chip. In addition to this AI accelerator, it has a complete vision pipeline, meaning a MIPI core, an ISP, an H.264 encoder and decoder. So this allows now low-cost AI-based vision applications and is usable for a lot of different applications. Is it from washing machines to smart cameras and so on. So whenever you consider a new AI-based project, take into account that ST has now a solution on a microcontroller. And if you're interested in this technology, we as Avnet Silica, of course, are a premium partner of ST and we sell this evaluation kit, which you can order in our website. So I'm looking forward to talk with you about the new project based on the STM32N6.